Hi my loves, it's your girl Shantes, also known as With Love SB. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, 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 welcome. It's so nice to have you. All of you who have been subscribed to me, thank you, like always, for your love and support. If you haven't already, go ahead, pause this video, tap that subscribe button, like, comment, share, you know, and turn on those bell notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post new content, you know. Let's get into it. Do you see this wig? Do you see this hair? I mean, let's just get into it, right? Like, get into this hair, get into this wig. I mean, do you see me? Do you see me? Because I am serving all types of tropical vacation beach vibes. Like, I am serving SZA, you be 9 to 5 on the weekend. No, scratch that. It's giving me her vibes. It's giving me nice, affordable, cheap, synthetic wig, but I'm still looking poppin' vibes. Like, yes, 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 yes. As you can see, today's video is going to be on a hair tutorial / review on this very affordable curly wig that I purchased from Friday Night Hair. It's their GLS 109. I am loving it thus far. It's really cute. $50? Like, you do not have to break the bank to be cute. Like, I'm gonna toss this wig on and go. Like, I didn't even have to braid my locks down. I literally just put a wig cap on top of them, tossed this bad boy on, and just was like, transformation. It is 2021 and I'm where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, be sure to continue watching. And yeah, let's hop right into the video. Okay, so before we get started on the styling, let me just give you the specs of the hair. It is a heat-resistant synthetic hand-sewn lace front wig. It's about 24 inches long is what it says on the website. It's in a color 1B or off black, and it is a medium cap size. The lace color is brown. So it does say that the wig can be curled and straightened up to temperatures of 450 degrees, but I wouldn't recommend it really, not when it comes to synthetic wigs using any type of heat on it. So let me go ahead and unpackage the wig so you can get a better look. So here's the packaging right here. It came through USPS. It was priority 2-day shipping, so it came really quickly. And it came in this clear little plastic baggie right here. Let's pull the wig out. Alright, so this is what it looks like right out of the package. Comes with its little tag right here. As you can see, it says Style GLS 109 in the color 1B. Comes with a little hairnet around it, so I'm just going to take it out the hairnet. Here. So here is the lace right here. It is hard lace, and hard lace tends to be a little itchy, but we're still gonna make it do what it do. Here's the construction of the wig. Comes with combs on both sides and a comb at the nape of the neck right here. So yeah, let me just go ahead and try her on. Oh yeah, so it also has a drawstring in the back, so you can use this drawstring here to adjust the cap. Okay, so I'm just cut the tag off of here. And I'm gonna try it on with the lace still on there first so we can just see what it looks straight out of the packaging. Okay. My head kind of big, so I gotta take this drawstring off and adjust accordingly. Yep, it fits a little snug, so I won't be needing the drawstring in the back. It fits really snug on my head. When I wear it out, I may actually decide to go ahead and just braid my hair down underneath, so it doesn't fit so tightly. This is what she looks like right now with the lace still on here. Stand up so you can see where she falls. That's the front. That's where it falls in the back. So, yes, this is the hair right now, straight out of the packaging, no manipulation to it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and then I'm going to comb the curls out, finger comb the curls out, and cut the bang. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into that. Now, typically I'm very particular in the way that I cut my lace, but because I'm turning this into like a bang, I'm not really too concerned with what the lace looks underneath it. So yeah, let me just go ahead and cut this lace off. I just wanted this to be just like a quick and easy wig just to toss on while I'm on vacation. So and like I said, it is hard lace, so it is a little itchy, but it's not too bad. Normally, of course, you don't really want to cut in a straight line on your lace front wigs, but again, y'all not gonna see my hairline. So yeah, look kind of crazy right now. You know, with that blunt boxy hairline, but of course y'all aren't gonna see that. So this is the completed look. I really like the way that it turned out. It was literally only $50 for the synthetic wig, and I think that it looks beautiful. Like the curls, of course, it's a synthetic wig and it's a textured wig, curly hair, so of course it tangles quite a lot, but with the style that I'm wearing, how I'm gonna wear it with the bang, I don't think that it pose too much of a problem for me. Of course, this is what it looks like now that it's been fluffed out. I'm cute, period. That's just period. So anyway, yeah, I really like it. Of course, you know, the more you fluff it out or you comb it or detangle it or whatever, the bigger the hair will get. So you can fluff it to your liking. Again, of course, if you want to wear it like pulled to the side or something, that is totally your prerogative. For me, it's a no. I'm gonna rock with the bangs. I hope that you enjoyed this hair tutorial and this hair review. I'll leave the direct link to this wig in my description, so if you're interested in purchasing this wig, you can see where to go. But I appreciate you all so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.